Sorry. Can you hear me? Is it okay?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. Blessed are the homes which have been bestowed with the superlatively lovely gift from the gods. But there are homes who will have to wait for some years till their sons grow up and bring them a blooming and beautiful bride to take the place of the daughter they never had. Today, we have a lot of couples. We're hoping for six, but whoever, maybe I think four I can see. So we have several couples, all extremely successful career in their career, totally established doctors doing so well in their fields. They are here to share their experiences and views regarding this small matter of not having a daughter and the tools they have used to deal with this problem. So, before wasting any time, I invite Dr. Alka Mukherjee, uh, NOGS president, a dynamic president, a very soft spoken person, a very hardworking, talented multitasker for the welcome address. Please, over to you, Dr. Alka.
At the outset, let me wish everyone here happy Doctor's Day. As of today, celebrating Doctor's Day is absolute essential for all of us. Why? कारण आपणच आपली पाठ थोपटायला पाहिजे. Now it's time to understand the social outlook is against doctors and it's very difficult and distant dream की लोकांनी आपल्याला सेलिब्रेट करायला पाहिजे. Let's not bother about what people say. Let's continue doing our good work without any expectation. Today's day is celebrated by Foxy as a Dhanvantari Day, and it is also a Foxy Girl Child Day. I welcome our national leaders, Dr. Parag and Vaishali Biniwale, Dr. Lakshmi and Anil Shrikhande, Dr. Chaitanya Manisha, Ujjwala Madam and Satish Sir, Charu, Manish, Ashish and Deval. I hope they will join soon for today's panel on Betiyan Kyun Itni Pyari Hoti Hai. I welcome our moderator, Madam Dr. Trishala. She and Dr. Vidya worked very hard for this program. Without further delay, I welcome you all. Thank you so much. Over to you.
Next, I invite Dr. Trishala Debre. She is an extremely talented, superbly organized, and very innovative person who has put in a lot of effort all through the night, I think, if I'm not mistaken, to make this program, to bring about this program of Rubaru. So, Dr. Trishala Debre, it is over to you, ma'am. Trishala.
Thank you, Vidya, for your kind words. I think I really deserve all this. I think I deserve only 50% of it. And at the outset, कहीं भूल न जाऊं, पहले मैं शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहूंगी हमारी प्रेसिडेंट मैम डॉक्टर अलका मुखर्जी और उसकी टीम का, जो आपने मुझे यह मौका दिया कि मैं सभी पैनलिस्ट से रूबरू हो सकूं, और वो भी बेटियों के लिए. Thank you so much. Because we are celebrating today the Foxy Girl Child Day. Our girls are the pillars of the society, and continuation of life is not possible without them. Is it true? A small girl child can be a good daughter, she can be a good sister, a good wife, a mother, and a grandmother. Without girl child, we cannot think for the world. Unfortunately, even today, girl child is not been looked after or treated so well in our societies in some part of north, we can say. So over to everyone, बेटियां क्यों इतनी प्यारी होती है? बताइए. बेटियां इसीलिए प्यारी होती है क्योंकि वो हमारी छवि होती है, हमारे आसपास होती है. तो आइए चलिए बेटियों के संग चलते हैं कि बेटियां क्यों होती है इतनी प्यारी. अब है हमारे पैनलिस्ट की बारी. So I welcome all the panels one by one on this forum of Betiyan Kyun Itni Pyari Fox's Girl Child Day. So I just want to welcome each of the panel as a couple, and when I welcome the first one, Binewale, Dr. and Mrs. Parag and Vaishali Binewale, they both hail from Pune. They both are the very renowned consultant obstetric and gynecologist. When we talk about them, Dr. Binewale is the Secretary ICOG, President Menopause Society POGS, and he's elected President. पर हमारी ये जो इनके जो शौहर है, इनकी कितनी भी बड़ी बड़ी पोजीशंस क्यों न हो, पर हमारी ये जो मैडम है ये भी किसी से कम नहीं है. मैडम इज द जॉइंट सेक्रेटरी ऑफ द मेनोपॉज सोसाइटी पुणे. She is the managing committee member of POGS, and she has in her credit a Marathi book. She is the author of a Marathi book on pregnancy and childbearing. And I welcome this power-packed couple with two beautiful, this power-packed couple having two beautiful sons full of joy. Welcome, ma'am and sir.
Thank you, Dr. Trishula.
Yes, thank you very much. My next panelist is none other than from the Orange City. ये जोड़ी है बड़ी कमाल की, क्योंकि उन्होंने अब तक ज्वाइन नहीं किया है. Anyways, if they join in between, I welcome them now only. जोड़ी है कमाल की, क्योंकि इन्होंने जो है पहनी है पगड़ी, सिर पर है इनके फेटे, पर ये कभी दिल पर नहीं लेते. आप समझ गए होंगे ये कौन है. ये है डॉक्टर मिसेस चारू एंड डॉक्टर मनीष बाहेती. They are the director of Shore Life Hospital and an IVF center. They both have the advanced training and the fellowship in assisted reproduction and endoscopy, and they run a NGO that is called Spandang, where they look after the mentally challenged children. So I welcome both of them with their two naughty sons in their credit. My next panelist, इनके बारे में कुछ कहना है कि आप सब समझ सकते हो. ये इतने जबरदस्त है कि इनके बारे में कुछ कहना जरूरी नहीं समझती हूँ मैं. आप समझ जाइए किसके बारे में कह रही हूँ. मैम, आप और सर, आपसे सब श्री गणेश होता है, आप है श्रीखंडे. लक्ष्मी मैम के लिए मैं क्या बोलूं. ये जो है सितारों की दुनिया में उठती रहती है, क्योंकि ये फिगो से, फॉक्सेस से, मिनोपॉज से, विदर्भ से, आरनार्ची से, MWI से, एनओजीएस से, कहाँ से हमको रिप्रेजेंट करती है. मैम, थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर रिप्रेजेंटिंग नागपुर एवरीवेयर इन द यूनिवर्स. और इनके क्रेडिट में कम से कम 700 तो जो है लेक्चर सीरीज है, हर 700 प्रेजेंटेशन टिल नाउ, टिल टुडे. पर आप अनिल शिखंडे सर को इतना कमजोर ना समझिए. ही इज द pioneer in Nagpur in the field of urology. He is urologist, andrologist, and the kidney transplant specialist. He runs Stone Clinic as well. They both are the director of Shrikhande Test Tube Baby and the Urology Center. So I'm welcoming Dr. Mrs. and Dr. Shrikhande with their they are having two sons in their credit, and they both are doing the post-graduation in medicine stream. My next panelist is none other than the very senior most, very समझदार, very सुलझे हुए. कौन हो सकता है? सभी सुलझे हुए हैं. They are none other than Dr. Satish Deshmukh sir. You are the senior most surgeon in Nagpur, and you are the master of masters for surgery. You are a PG guide in LMH. Plus, sir, आपकी थोड़ी सी स्पेशलिटी मैं यहाँ पर बताना चाहूंगी कि आप सिर्फ अपने ही खेत से पका हुआ अनाज खाते हैं, इसीलिए आप आज तक दोनों इतने फिट हैं. And you have won many prizes in doing bonsais. So welcoming sir. और इनके साथ वेलकम करते हैं इनकी आज भी प्रियतमा को. वो है उज्ज्वला देशमुख. ये प्रियतमा जो है एक बहुत ही सक्सेसफुल गायनेकोलॉजिस्ट है. इसके साथ में ये कवित्री भी है, योग की देवी भी है. She is a successful mother, successful doctor, and a successful mother-in-law. बच्चों के साथ बच्ची बन जाती, बूढ़ों के साथ बूढ़ी. So I'm welcoming ma'am you both with your having two sons in your credit, and they are all both in medicine stream. Next is our none other than our secretary. Our secretary is गायब today. नहीं, not गायब. He is operating. Yeah. पर इन्होंने आज यहाँ है नहीं. हमारे सेक्रेटरी है डॉक्टर आशीष कुबड़े. इनके बारे में कुछ कहना यानी मुझे लगता सूरज को रोशनी दिखाना है. He is internationally, nationally acclaimed for doing vaginal surgeries. इनकी vaginal steps को देखने के लिए लोग मोहताज होते हैं. और ये जो है रोबोटिक से लेके लैप्रोस्कोपी से लेके हर जगह इनका नेम और फेम है. और इनकी जो मैडम है, इनका नाम मुझे अब तक नहीं पता चला. मैम ने बताया था, मैं भूल गई. तो इनकी मैम को मैं देख नहीं पा रही हूँ. So I'm welcoming Mrs. Kubde. She is a fitness freak. She is a successful housemaker and a mother of 2 adorable children. I welcome Dr. Mrs. Kubde here. अब बचे हमारे एक पैनलिस्ट, 6 पैनलिस्ट. मैम इनके बारे में क्या कहें? ये जो है ना, इनकी एक हंसी के ऊपर लोग फिदा है, नॉट इन अ रॉन्ग सेंस. ये जो हंसते हैं तो अपने आप ही सारे काम हो जाते हैं. इनका एक ही थीम है, कर लो दुनिया मुट्ठी में. इनके पास क्या नहीं है? इनके पास सब कुछ है, नेम है, और तो और ये सबसे टॉप इन्फर्टिलॉजिस्ट है हमारे नागपुर के. ही रन्स अ ब्यूटीफुल, अ वेरी हाई infertility hospital, that is a Omega Hospital and Research Center. और इनकी जो मैडम है ये है एनेस्थेटोलॉजिस्ट. ये जितनी ये शी इज वेरी सेटल एंड हर सोल इज वेरी प्योर. ये दोनों भी जितने सुशील और सुंदर दिखते हैं, इनके बेटे भी उतने ही सुंदर है. सो आई वेलकम मिस्टर एंड मिसेस चैतन्य शेम्बेकर ऑन दिस पैनल. सो विदाउट वेस्टिंग time, I just go to the panels for the questionnaire session today on बेटियां क्यों इतनी प्यारी होती है. तो मैडम, जब जो है लक्ष्मी मैडम, ऐसा सुना गया है कि people says that the girls are the angels and they are the God's creation. मैं सुने आ रही हूँ?
हाँ, बिल्कुल.
Yes, and they are the God's creation. इस God के creation से कई
नहीं आ रही सुनाई.
अभी नहीं आ रही?
नहीं. आगे का सेंटेंस
नहीं, हम लोगों को तो आ रही.
नहीं ना, ये हो रहा ना.
लक्ष्मी,
आपके पास 2 है क्या लॉगिन?
नहीं, 2 नहीं है, एक ही है.
विशाला मैडम आपके पास क्या है?
I'm on my
हाँ, किसी ने 2 डिवाइस से लॉगिन किया है.
सतीश सर, उज्ज्वला
ने 2 डिवाइस से किया है, वो इको हो रहा. हाँ,
मुझे लगता है उज्ज्वला मैम एक डिवाइस को आप बंद कर सकते हैं. सतीश देशमुख सर के डिवाइस को आप बंद कर सकते हैं. आप अपना शुरू रखिए, या तो सीधा चलते हैं हमारी नागपुर की अल्टीमेट पावर पैक्ट गायनेकोलॉजिस्ट के पास. People says that the girls are the angels and they are the God's creation. And they are the God's creation, उनके साथ कई रिश्ते जुड़े होते हैं. हमारे भारतीय संस्कृति में भी कई त्योहार आते हैं. तो मैम आपसे एक सवाल है जो बहुत ही स्ट्रांग है हमारे संस्कृति और संस्कार के लिए. ड्यूरिंग रक्षाबंधन एंड भाई दूज, हाउ डू यू डील with a lack of girl child? आपसे इस पर कुछ सुनना चाहेंगे.
जरूर त्रिशला. सबसे पहले मैं ये बोलना चाहूंगी कि a world without girl is as impossible as world without water. क्योंकि आप सोच भी नहीं सकते हो कि पानी के बिना संसार हो सकता है, वैसे ही लड़की के बिना नहीं हो सकता है. अब वो घर, वो माता पिता सही में बहुत भाग्यशाली होते हैं जिनके घर में ये फूल खिलता है. अब हम जैसे कुछ लोग हैं जिनके घर में ये फूल नहीं खिला है, तो ऑफ कोर्स रक्षाबंधन हो, जहाँ पे भाई बहन हो, या लड़कियों की कमी महसूस होनी है, वो तो होती ही है. आप 2 चीजें कंपेयर नहीं कर सकते हो. बेटे बहुत अच्छे हैं, पूरा ध्यान रखते हैं, वी आर इमोशनली कनेक्टेड. पर लड़कियां, जो एक इमोशनल कनेक्ट लड़कियों से होता है वो उनसे ही होता है. अब भाई दूज पे क्या करें? तो भाई दूज पे मैं खुद उनको राखी बांधती हूँ, क्योंकि अब लड़कियां तो है नहीं, तो मैं ही राखी बांधती हूँ. एंड वी सेलिब्रेट रक्षाबंधन एट होम इन दिस वे.
Oh, what a lovely gesture, ma'am, you are having for your sons, and उनको वो कमी आप महसूस नहीं होने देती है. Yes, really, the girls are wonderful and are the precious gifts of life. So we have to welcome the girls, right?
Yes.
बिनी वाले सर, आपसे मेरा दूसरा सवाल ये होगा. We love everyone, right? Everyone loves girlfriends. But not a daughter. Sir, very strange but true. आपसे एक बहुत ही उलझा हुआ सवाल मैं पूछ रही हूँ, उसका जवाब भी थोड़ा सा उलझा हुआ ही है। आपके पास एक डिलीवरी हुई है पेशेंट की, और ये क्वेश्चन मैंने आपको भेजा नहीं था, किसी भी जेंट्स को नहीं भेजा था, ये मुझे जो है टाइम पे सूझा और आपको मैं दे रही हूँ। तो जिसको ऑलरेडी पहली गर्ल चाइल्ड है, नाउ शी इज डिलीवर्ड टू यू and she has again delivered a girl child. What will be, under what condition, or what will be your condition, and how you will disclose or break this news to the relatives, and what is their opinion on it?
Okay, Trishala, first of all, thank you, Alka and the entire team of NOJS for having us outsiders to be part of the NOJS program. And answering to your question, first of all, whenever there's a girl child born, we are very much excited. And then whenever, luckily we are into private practice, and most of the patients who come to us, they are also keen on having a girl child. So, breaking the news is not difficult at all. Typically, whenever we have a second gravida who has a first daughter, 100% I would say that they want a second girl child. Probably, ladka hota hai to wo thode se na khush hote hai, because their daughter also wants another daughter. So that is a typical scenario in our practice that we see. But you rightly pointed out, एक typical strata होता है जिनमें they are desperate for a boy child, and then we of course disclose the news with the same enthusiasm, but they may not take it in that spirit. That is the challenge.
Thank you, sir, for a very beautiful answer, because the world is changing and people have come to know there is no life without girls. So a girl child really brings joy. She is no less than a boy. If not a girl, then how a boy? Is it true? If not a girl, then how a boy? So saving girl child is like saving the upcoming generation. So when we talk for the upcoming generation, I would like to go straight away to ससुर जी. हमारे बीच में एक ससुर जी है, और सीधा सवाल उन ससुर जी से है. अब कौन ससुर जी? I would like to ask Dr. Satish Deshmukh sir, if you already have a daughter-in-law, does she feel the void in family?
Can't get.
Hello?
Hello, can't get you. Last what you said?
मेरा सवाल है डॉक्टर सतीश देशमुख सर से कि if you already have a daughter-in-law,
Yes, sir.
how does she fill the void in a family?
Yes, sir. I am very fortunate to have two daughter-in-laws with me. Both are so enthusiastic and so loving that I don't feel any कोई लड़की की कमी उसे वो कभी पढ़ने नहीं देते. They are so loving and so caring. Every time, whenever I ask them something, they are ready with it. And every problem, instead of madam, they will share with me. That is the biggest asset to me. They will ask me, Baba, हे कसं करायचं? Baba, हे काय करायचं? That is the thing which is, I don't have I don't have daughter, but the 30 years of that, the gap has been built up by these two daughter-in-laws. I am very fortunate, and you have rightly said that there is no world without a female child or a girl child. Our generations are dependent on them only. So if anybody asks me, you don't have daughters, I really say I have got two daughters. They are not daughter-in-laws. That is my, really I am fortunate about it. You can ask madam also.
Yes, so thank you so much for your apt answer, and you have mentioned it very well, because really the world is changing, and the daughter or a daughter-in-law, if you have, she will always remain a daughter, and daughters are more close to their father. So these girls nowadays, they see father, they have two fathers. The one who is the birth giver and other one who is the caretaker. So thank you so much for your nice and very apt answer, sir, because our daughters or the daughter-in-laws are the knot that ties the families together. Yes. Thank you, sir. Hence, the daughter or the daughter-in-law will remain daughters forever and lifelong. I would like to ask Manisha ma'am. Manisha Shimbekar. Manisha, we cannot think this world without a daughter. Daughters usually, they take interest in their mother, in their father, in all family member as well. They are involved in every nooks and corners of the house, isn't it? It is said for the daughters. So do you have two sons, and does really your two sons, they contribute in routine domestic household chores with you, and really how interestingly they are involved in this domestic work? Just we want to look.
चैतन्याला किती हसायला येऊन राहिलं.
I must admit that of course they do not do it routinely. Like I don't think even the girls do it very routinely nowadays, because they are also pursuing their careers. So I'm not sure whether the girls do it. But since these times, the past 1 year, we had certain things like we didn't have the maids and all. And during that time,
Yeah,
of course, they helped me. But otherwise, I am sure they don't do anything. They don't even do
And
their
you a glass of water.
routine activities. Also, they have to be just pushed into to keep their room tidy and everything. So that is there. The boys are not as involved in the household chores as the girls. Yes.
Yes, thank you very much for being so truth to yourself. अगर कोई मदर होती तो वो जरूर कहती कि मेरे बच्चे मुझे बहुत मदद करते हैं, and you are so true to yourself. And Chaitanya was like, Krishna, please. No.
I think Trishala, can I say a word here? Man is from a Mars and a girl is from the Venus. That is the basic difference. That's the reason Chaitanya was laughing at.
नाही मला काय वाटत होतं चैतन्य म्हणेल अरे मीच तर सगळं करतोय.
Yes, yes.
Biggest
पोराची कमी मी भरून काढतो.
मुझे चैतन्य को देखकर ऐसा लगता है कि वो घर में भी काम करता है और बाहर में तो करता ही है 24/7. Yes, having daughters is the most precious gift. They are the real gems. They are really Kohinoor in our life. बेटियां कोहिनूर है हमारी. Dr. Anil Shikhande sir, coming to you.
सगळे बिना
Shikhande sir.
बोलावाल्यांनाच घेतलं तिने.
Anil Shikhande sir.
नहीं है, नहीं है.
प्रॉक्सी लावायला त्यांनी लक्ष्मीला प्रॉक्सी लावायला सांगितलं.
So it's for you, Lakshmi, ma'am. Do you wish you would have a daughter? क्योंकि अभी आपने रक्षाबंधन भी कह दिया है तो ये आप ही से related है. Do you wish you would have a daughter instead of a son, and why?
अच्छी दिल की बात बोलूं त्रिशला, जब मुझे दूसरा बच्चा हुआ, लड़का हुआ, I really wanted a daughter. अगर मुझे तीसरी बार प्रेगनेंसी रहती थी, I would have definitely kept. I would not have gone for termination. I was longing for a daughter.
Population control का भी ध्यान रखा था.
मुझे चाहिए ही थी डॉटर, पर अब क्या करे, बोला ना कि कुछ नसीब वालों के घर में ही लड़कियां फूल खिलती.
फूल खिलते.
Yes, I want. अभी भी आ जाएगी दो, पर अभी
बहू आ जाएंगी.
waiting for के जैसा I am waiting for 2 daughter-in-laws.
Lakshmi, I was also longing for a second girl child. लेकिन अभी दोनों बहू मेरे साथ रहती है ना, वो बहुत अच्छे से they are all अपने जो इस एरिया में और इस जैसे ये एरा में जो करना है ना, वो सब कर लेती है. तो इसलिए we have a very good so, and you are also compatible.
I am in the same boat then, madam, with you. But Trishla, I desperately, I mean, I really wanted a girl child. मुझे दोनों भी बेटी होती थी तो बहुत ही मजा आ जाता था.
मैम अच्छा ही हुआ. मैं तो यही कहूंगी, आपने उस समय से जो है पॉपुलेशन कंट्रोल का ध्यान रखा, और जैसा आपने आई एम नॉट सेकेंड अर्थ मत निकालिएगा. आई एम जस्ट सेइंग, आपने कहा कि फूल खिलेंगे, फूल खिलते हैं, तो मैं कहूंगी फूल खिलते हैं गुलशन गुलशन. जिनके घर में ये फूल खिलते हैं, जैसे मेरा घर है, मुझे आई एम डायबिटीज, आई एम हैविंग 2 daughters, पर मुझे तो बेटियों को रियर अप भी करना पड़ा. जैसे प्रोफेशनल होने के साथ में अपने को स्ट्रगल्स बहुत होते हैं, बेटियों का ध्यान रखना बहुत जरूरी होता है। और आप लोगों को तो you people are so fortunate, like all these couples are sitting over here and you all are very fortunate, you will get all ready-made daughters.
त्रिशला बेटियों
ए,
बेटियों
उल्टा
का
है।
भी नहीं, एक मिनट मैडम, बेटों का भी बहुत ध्यान रखना पड़ता है। आजकल सिर्फ बेटियों का ही अब्यूज या कुछ नहीं होता है। इवन एज अ आई मीन मदर ऑफ सन्स, आई वाज वेरी स्केयर्ड कि ऑटो वाला बराबर ला रहा है कि नहीं, स्कूल में कहीं अब्यूज हो रहा है क्या, गुड टच बैड टच, इट इज इक्वली रिस्पॉन्सिबल जॉब टू रेज योर सन्स। गॉन आर द डेज व्हेन वी यूज्ड टू से कि नहीं डॉटर है तो बहुत सारी चीजें देखनी है, सारी चीजें आपको अगर बेटा है तो भी देखनी है। आई थिंक एवरीवन विल अग्री कि बेटा है तो भी आपको बहुत ध्यान रखना होता है।
Exactly, Lakshmi, you have nailed to it. And I was expecting this question after saying कि फूल खिले हैं गुलशन गुलशन, कि आप इसके ऊपर भी कुछ कहेंगे। तो girls are like the rose petals and let the girls to see this world. So no girl, no mother, ultimately no life. I'm coming back to our Kohinoor of Nagpur. Our Kohinoor of Nagpur is Chaitanya Shembekar. Chaitanya, where are you? Where is he?
Manisha will answer.
अभी मनीषा पासी में
Manisha, what is this? We want to hear from him.
I started call, ma'am. God.
Okay.
Just went
So
away.
Manisha, what difference would girl child would have made in your life and how? क्योंकि आपने अभी कहा कि आपके बच्चे काम नहीं करते, सही मायने में देखा जाए तो लड़कियां भी नहीं करती आजकल, आपने ऐसा कहा है। पर अगर लड़की होती तो आपकी लाइफ कितनी बदलती और कैसे बदलती?
अगर लड़की होती तो शायद कनेक्ट मेरा बहुत ज्यादा अच्छा होता उसके साथ। I think girls are too much emotionally attached to their parents and they look after them very well, and they want to share each and everything, whatever is going in their mind, maybe in their college, school, or with their friends, which is not the case with the boys. They come and tell me, whenever I come to know about something later on, they say that what's the big deal, why you should know everything about it. So that is there. So they don't they take everything so lightly, and I think that I miss that a lot.
त्रिशला आई वुड लाइक टू ऐड, अगर लड़की होती तो मैं अभी साड़ी में नहीं होती, बहुत अच्छा मेरा वार्डरोब होता, गर्ली वार्डरोब होता, एंड आई वुड हैव बीन इन अ वेरी ट्रेंडी कुछ तो स्टाइल एंड हेयर स्टाइल एंड दिस एंड दैट। आई मीन आई रियली मिस दैट कि अगर लड़की होती तो मेरा वार्डरोब और सब कुछ बहुत स्टाइल होता था, मेकअप।
अभी आप साड़ी में सुंदर दिख रही हैं।
आई मिस दैट यार, लड़के हैं तो बराबर ढंग से कपड़े पहनने पड़ते, पता नहीं, यानी काफी कुछ घर में अपने को लिमिटेशंस आ जाते हैं बिकॉज बोथ आर बॉयज। लड़कियां होती थी तो मजा आ जाता था यार।
देखो मैडम, आपने अभी सच बात कही है, अभी आपने सच बात कही है कि लड़के होते हैं तो बहुत लिमिटेशंस होती है, लड़कियां होती है तो फ्रीडम होती है, दे पार्टिसिपेट इन देयर मदर्स ब्यूटी। डेफिनेटली बेटियां हमेशा बेटियां ही होती है, यह सिर्फ जो चैतन्य के लिए है, बेटियां हमेशा बेटियां होती है क्योंकि वह अपने पापा की क्वीन होती है और उनके दिल में हमेशा अपनी जगह बनाकर रहती है। अब माय नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन टू डॉक्टर उज्ज्वला देशमुख मैम।
Yes.
मैम
Okay.
no,
Yeah.
no, I just want to see whether the Bahiti is joined. Is he joined? चारू
I
भाई?
don't think so.
ओके, तो मैं आप चलूंगी और मिसेस कुबड़े
I don't see her.
ओके देन उज्ज्वला मैम, आप ही इस बात पर थोड़ा सा हमें प्रकाश डाल दीजिएगा कि इज योर हाउस, आपके घर में 2 बदमाश थे, आपने छुटपन से उसको बड़ा किया, अब तो उनके भी बच्चे आ गए हैं, तो जिनके 2 बेटे होते हैं वो बड़े बदमाश होते हैं, उनका घर एकदम मेस होता है। इज योर हाउस इज अ बॉक्सिंग रिंग?
Not
Or-
at all. Not at all. I tell you, I am really fortunate for that. My father-in-law is such a tidy person and he is such a disciplined person that all my father-in-law, my husband, both the sons, everybody is so tidy that there is no boxing in the house, and they are like the girls. even my father-in-law also take care of. If we had some meal, he will go and fill the bottles and keep in the fridge. My father-in-law.
Ma'am,
So-
it means your house is very disciplined house. Very disciplined. But I just want to share this question with Mrs. Dr. Vaishali Biniwale, ma'am.
Okay.
मैम आप पुणे वाले हैं, आप इसका बिल्कुल करेक्ट आंसर दीजिएगा प्लीज। तो आप बताइए कि
देखो पुणे में तो पराग को भी काम करना पड़ेगा। जो आग दिखाएगी ना तो वो पानी भर के रखना ही पड़ेगा पराग को।
यही आंसर चाहिए मुझे।
वैशाली बिनीवाले मैम।
My house was a boxing ring some time back. Now my elder son is in US doing his job, so there's only one son in the house, so no more boxing ring. But
Okay.
I used to be really scared whenever I used to enter home that now what? And
Yes.
one day after OPD when I came home, my elder one has punched my younger one and he's no spoken. So I always used to be like, now next what? How are they going to fight? And even if I am staying with my in-laws, sometimes these children, they used to go in some corner room and they used to fight. So basically there was disagreement. It was never verbal. It was always physical.
Okay.
I think age difference may be less between these two.
Yes.
It's only 2.5 years. So they were like, grown
Yeah, that is the reason.
Ujjwala ma'am and Vaishali, Dr. Vaishali. I just want to tell that there is one India Pakistan. कश्मीर के लिए सारे लड़ रहे हैं. Okay. So again, a next question to Dr. Vaishali Biniwale ma'am. क्योंकि आपके पास आते आते मुझे थोड़ी सी देर हो गई, पर देर ही सही. आपको एक पूछना है मुझे कि one day आपके दोनों बेटे हैं and one day surely you will have a daughter-in-law. आप थोड़ी means आज modern mother है, you will become a modern mother-in-law day after. So she is also a girl. How you will bond with your daughter-in-law?
Actually, I'm waiting for my daughter-in-laws so that someone will be there on my side now, because now there are 3 males in the house and me alone. There are, as we were saying, there are advantages and disadvantages. So basically in few aspects of my life, I'm the one who makes the decision. So I'm the decision maker, or I can decide whatever everyone is going to do. But I just want some female company with whom I can have some feminine talks, with whom I can go and shop, because this is something which I really miss. And
Yes,
I can have to talk with her.
Yes, this is the only bonding which every mother-in-law now expects from her.
I think it has.
Yes, Pooja.
There's a
By the
slight
way,
problem.
पराग सर, आपने अपने छोटे बच्चे को, बेटे को कभी लड़कियों के कपड़े पहनाए थे क्या मैडम? नहीं. बहुत बार ऐसे होता है, सेकंड इशू के बाद में, फर्स्ट इशू के मेल होने के बाद में सेकंड मेल नहीं बेटा ही होता है. तो मेनी टाइम्स आई सीन माय रिलेटिव्स एंड माय पेशेंट्स आल्सो, दे समटाइम्स ड्रेस अप देयर द यंगर वन in a female attire.
We do that, but we didn't do that, but we tried to give them dolls to play.
Yeah.
And did they play with them?
Okay. Is there any specific motto behind that?
It's
Do
basically
you have any?
that's for, it should not be gender specific. That's what I thought. So
Okay.
I try give them dolls to play, but unfortunately they never liked dolls. They were happy with cars and football and all these things.
वो सुपर हीरो एंड वो बहुत सारे आते थे ना, वो छोटे छोटे पूरा बॉक्स भरा था, या वो छोटे छोटे सारे सुपर हीरोज थे.
आता, apart from that, do they have girlfriends?
Here I will also like to add my own experience. मेरे छोटे बच्चे को मैंने इतने दिन तक, जब तक बाल नहीं काटे तब तक मैं उसको लड़कियों के ड्रेसेस पहना.
मैं बोल रही हूँ ऐसे होता है.
अच्छा,
और
can I ask you a question? Can I ask you a
another
question?
thing, doll का जो बताया ना, when I give doll to both of my sons, they with that doll they play like a cricket. I still remember. they basically they don't like to pay dolly and all that. That
I
is-
know.
yeah.
So can I ask a question actually, ma'am, Ujjwala ma'am? When you wanted to see any TV serial, like there's some women-specific movies and TV serials and all we want to see. So did you have a fight with 3 men in the house? कि नहीं हमको ये नहीं देखना. We just want to see cricket and we want to see.
Exactly. Every time that only. अगर मेरी बड़ी बहन आई तो बड़ी मौसी की वजह से they both of them used to leave me to see all these serials. Otherwise, never.
Your likings also change because of boys.
Regarding shopping, like Parag, Vaishali madam said कि shopping अगर बहू आएगी तो ज्यादा अच्छे से करूंगी.
Exactly.
आपके लड़के दोनों इंटरेस्ट लेते हैं क्या शॉपिंग में?
Younger one take. My younger one
Never.
आपकी शॉपिंग में, आपकी शॉपिंग में
is very shopping day. So he wants to try out new things. He wants me to buy new clothes or even accessories. So he is very much interested in it. So he wants a perfect mother, perfect looking mother for him.
What is his definition of perfect looking mother?
It changes as per his friends.
But is it that
to be an Indian mother? Like, she should be an Indian mother. Like movies में दिखाया जाता है. There's a typical Indian mother, who's making gajar halwa, methi ka paratha. Did any of your children expect that, boys? Because girls don't expect it. कि हाँ, मेरी माँ ऐसे होनी चाहिए. She should be, typical Indian mother, making parathas, making gajar halwa, feeding. She is at home, waiting for me.
Vidya, by and large, nowadays they don't expect these things, but they expect a bit properly clad women.
But what is
Properly dressed up women.
But what Vidya said is very true, हाँ?
According to the
क्योंकि
occasion.
सवेरे से मैंने कुछ भी एक आधा ड्रेस पहना हुआ होगा ना, तो मेरे हस्बैंड देखेंगे, बहुत बच्चे देखेंगे, लेकिन मेरी जब देवर की लड़की आती है तो शी विल से कि क्या काकू तुम्ही काय घातलं है, चला चेंज करा वगैरे.
Because I have an experience with girls now, mommy. You kaku bai, like her words are ki you're always dressed like a kaku bai. So I tell her, look, I am a kaku bai, like why should I not dress like one? So girls are always pushing you into becoming modern, I think.
Young.
So, boys do
Manisha, what is your take on बहू के साथ कैसे relation रहना चाहिए?
बहू के साथ friendly relations रहना चाहिए. But how to go about it, I'm clueless.
आल्यानंतरच कळेल.
Yes.
Tips from Ujjwala Deshmukh.
Yeah,
Yes.
go to ma'am to get
See,
that.
Manisha, don't be afraid of. We are all professional women. And the bahu jo apne yahan aayegi, she is also a very professional girl. And we don't have that much of time to go into the details of so many small things. And they are very.
Hello?
I tell you.
You are in, madam. Bolo.
And,
I'm in. Hello?
Video is not
and
on.
they are always
Hello?
helpful for us.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes,
And they
yes.
are always helpful for us, even professionally also. Since my daughter-in-law have come, I have not done a single preparation of mine. मेरा पूरा presentation से लेके everything my daughter-in-law she does it. Everything.
And who helps you?
Taking a note.
I just want to connect to my panelist. Hello?
Yes,
Hello?
Yes.
I want to connect.
Rishala
I just want
madam.
to connect.
Rishala madam, एक minute. Rishala madam, welcome Kiran sir. Kiran sir, welcome. तुमचा व्हिडिओ ऑन करा. किरण कुर्तकोटी सर ऍड झाले.
Oh, yes, sir. Welcome, sir. Welcome on the board of the panel discussion.
आणि let him manage
Thank you
panel
so
also.
much. Thank you so much.
Sir, बेटियां
Thank
क्यों
you so
इतनी
much.
प्यारी? सर बेटियां क्यों
आमच्या
इतनी
घरात
प्यारी?
एकच-
सर आपसे एक एक्सटेम्पोर हम जानना चाहते हैं. क्वेश्चन आपको मिले नहीं है, आप जानते नहीं है सर, पर आप थोड़ा सा कुछ हमें लाइट उस पर थोड़ा प्रकाश डालिए सर. कि
हाँ,
सरांना
sir,
मुलगी
did you
आहे का?
ever, sir, did you
हाँ, बोलो.
ever buy a doll or a pink dress for your
नहीं,
son?
sorry, I didn't get the question. Sorry.
First of all, whether he is having daughter or not, वो तो clear करो. He don't have.
मैडम अगर डॉटर भी है उसके पास तो सन भी है। मैं सन के लिए
मुझे
क्वेश्चन पूछ रही हूँ ईशिया का सन। सर आपको बेटा बेटी है?
मेरे को बेटा है ना,
बेटा है। ओनली वन सन नो?
ओनली वन सन अनफॉर्चुनेटली।
यू हैव वन सन? ओके सर, सर आपके लिए बिल्कुल परफेक्ट टू द पॉइंट क्वेश्चन है। डिड you ever buy, बंद करो, did you ever buy a doll or a pink dress for your son?
No, I never got that.
And why? And why?
No, I
Did you
never
ever
bought
buy
any
a
pink
doll
or
or
blue
a pink
dresses.
dress for your son?
For
No,
your
I
son, sir,
neither
If
bought
yes-
blue pink dress, neither bought a blue dress. There is no such thing.
Trishula, the thing
Yeah.
is, you give choice, Dr. Kiran, we will go and buy a white shirt for his son and a black trouser. That is his favorite.
That is the standard shade. I neither brought blue, neither brought pink. I don't believe in that stuff.
But his wife who's from Nagpur, she will do all these things.
सर बस
But
ये
why was
पूछना चाहूंगी आपसे कि अगर आपको बेटी होती तो आपके लाइफ में क्या चेंजेस होते आज?
बहुत चेंजेस होते,
किरण
बहुत
कुर्ती
बहुत
कुर्ती सर।
बहुत बहुत चेंजेस होते, बहुत चेंजेस होते, काफी चेंजेस. I said always that I miss two ladies right now. My mother who is no more and her daughter who is unborn. So probably next जन्म में कभी तो मिल जाएगी. वाइफ तो नहीं बदलेंगे, वाइफ तो वही रहेगी अभी.
बाजू में बैठे हैं क्या मैडम?
नहीं, बाजू में नहीं बैठे, इसलिए गट्स, इसलिए बोल रहा हूँ, बाजू में नहीं बैठे.
सर अब इरादा छोड़ दीजिए, वाइफ तो नहीं बदलेगी. Gone
नहीं,
are the days. ये इच्छा
मैंने
पूरी
बोला
नहीं
ही
होगी इस जन्म में.
मैंने बोला ही नहीं ना.
Yes, sir. Whenever your son gets married, and if he has a daughter, so she will be your daughter first.
My
So thank you very
daughter-in-law
much,
will
sir,
be
for
my
joining
daughter.
us.
My daughter-in-law
Yes,
will
sir,
be my
yes,
daughter
yes.
first.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, your progressive thoughts are really welcome. Yes,
I don't
I'm
know.
coming back to Ujjwala Deshmukh, ma'am. Ujjwala Deshmukh, ma'am. It's a very sensitive question to you. And you being a senior most gynecologist here on this panel, Dr. Ujjwala Deshmukh, ma'am, do you perceive any benefits of not having a daughter? And if yes, under what circumstances? Ujjwala Deshmukh, ma'am, I'm unable to see you.
She's there.
Hello.
Hear me? Yeah, I am there only. Can you
Ujjwala
hear me?
Deshmukh, ma'am, it's a very sensitive question for you to answer. You being the senior most, I just want to ask you: do you perceive any benefits of not having a daughter? And if
See,
yes, then under what circumstances?
Trishula, yes, what you said is very sensitive. And being a gynecologist and obstetrician, all of here who are the panelists have faced the molestation of a girl child and even the woman. And sometimes I feel that being an obstetrician and surgeon, my husband, we would have not got so much of time to tell her, to protect her, to do the things which I should have done. I might have not given a productive time to her. And when we look at the scenario, the social circumstances, it is very painful. And the people, these are Gunda people, or I can say the antisocial people, they destroy the life of these girls physically, emotionally, and socially also, even the deaths also. And here I really feel very sorry about our India's law and order, as they are not implemented sincerely, and the innocent girls, they fall prey to all these gundas. And इथे मला एक मराठीतलं आणि इतिहासातलं एक सांगावंसं वाटतं की माझ्या लेकी बाळीला कुणी हात लावला त्या हातांना कापून टाका अशी सांगणारी जरब असणारी जिजाऊ आणि शिवबाची आज आपल्याला गरज आहे. कारण सोशल रिफ्रेन and the law are not making the girl child very free and safe in the society. This is what I feel about the girl child, and we should protect all the women in our nation.
Trishana
Yes.
madam, time is up now. So a last rapid fire question for all of you.
Yes.
अगर आप लोगों को बेटी होती तो क्या आप उसे गायनेकोलॉजिस्ट बनाते थे?
I think we would have given her a choice.
Ah,
Both my
Yes.
sons are not doctors. The elder one is a mechanical engineer and the younger one is a dentist. So
Okay.
लड़कों को भी हमने कुछ नहीं बोला. लड़की होती तो we would have given her entire liberty to decide her own career.
okay.
But आप उसे फोर्स नहीं करते, but आप प्रिवेंट ही नहीं करवाना चाहते थे?
Not prevent.
Okay.
Let her decide. What-
Okay, okay. मनीषा तुला काय वाटतं? तू तर कुठे मनीषा गेली का? नाही आहे. Manisha, what is your opinion?
Of course, Alka, it depends on what they want to do. I never
Fully that I
asked them to become doctors, but now
Because gone are the previous days जेव्हा आपण खूप मेहनत करून हाऊस जॉब वगैरे करायचो, पण आजकालची मुलं दे आर व्हेरी सेन्सिटिव्ह, दे डोंट वॉन्ट टू डू दोज नाईट ड्युटीज आणि बाकी त्यांना एक्झर्शन खूप होतं असं ते म्हणतात. म्हणजे आपल्याकडे वाढलेले असतात ना, त्यामुळे त्यांना असं वाटतं की लाईफ इज व्हेरी लक्झरियस आणि गायनिकच्या ड्युटीज आर स्टील हेवी the same way which we did like last 25 years back. The same duties they are doing. तसेच ward आहे, तसंच सुरू आहे. Gynec departments are all are same. So what is your opinion? Still you want to pursue, म्हणजे तुम्ही करू देणार किंवा म्हणजे करायला सांगणार?
they should know that what they are put themselves into. Actually, both of them are becoming doctors. One of them is has completed his internship. The younger one is in second year, so I don't think they have any option. They have to slog until they complete their education.
उज्ज्वला मॅडम तर दोघेही वेगळे फील्ड मध्ये.
सांगा, तुम्ही सांगा ना.
Yes, माझ्या मते तर I would have given a choice to my daughter, and I would have encouraged her to become a doctor because you need good doctors also in the society. I would have taught her the morals, and I would have made her tough so that to face the things. जर खूपच जास्त झालं असतं कुठे समजा 9 years, आता प्रोटेक्शन तर आपल्याकडून असतं आणि नंतर आता एवढं डायव्हर्शन झाले आहे की फिटल मेडिसिन मध्ये जाऊ शकता तुम्ही नंतर इफ यू आर नॉट कोपिंग अप, or you can go in some other obstetric branch which is a bit not heavy that way.
बरं मॅडम, तुम्ही मगाशी एक वर्ड यूज केला गुंडागर्दी आणि हे सगळं. मला एक सांगा, बिंग पॅरेंट ऑफ अ सन, have you given some important tips to them how to behave with female?
Exactly. मी तर सामाजिक प्रश्न आहे. मी सामाजिक दृष्टीने त्या मुलांना नेहमी सांगते की whenever you find anything going wrong, you you should be proactive in protecting all the scenario. Rather, आणि ते माझी मुलं आहे पण तशीच आहेत, दोघही मुलं तशीच आहेत. एक मुलगा माझा पेडियाट्रिक सर्जन आहे सायन हॉस्पिटलला. लास्ट इयर सायनला जेव्हा सगळ्या जॉब हाऊस ऑफिसर्सना मारायला आले तर माझा मुलगा मध्ये गेला and then he prevented all that mess because he is a very robust. So they just stopped being harassed by the obstetrician house officer hoti thi in Sahin hospital.
Taking care of other girls, they have already learned from you. They can learn from the mother. Though if they have a sister, do you feel that if a brother has a Dr. Viniwale, we might tell me.
Yes.
If a brother has a sister, will that brother become more caring? You know,
Yes.
Develop a more caring attitude to the girls automatically, or you don't feel that
100%.
case?
Yes.
What do you feel?
Possibly, but what I feel is, as Dr. Deshmukh was saying, that there is more responsibility on me as a mother.
Yes.
Because it's not only their protection, but it is protection of the girls around them, like their friends, and so they should have a very good and correct behavior, as well as they should have responsibility for other girls. So I think it is more responsibility for mother of or a parents of girls.
आणि इथे मला एक सांगावंसं वाटतं की आपण आता खूपच फॅमिलीज आपल्या छोट्या केल्या आहे, पण लहानपणी बहीण आणि भावंड एकत्र वाढणं हे इंडिव्हिज्युअल रिलेशनशिप साठी खूप महत्वाचं आहे. की जेव्हा माझी दोघही मुलं विदाउट गर्ल चाइल्ड होते तर त्यांना वेन दे ग्रो अप, when they talk to the girls, they feel they're talking with the girl. पण बहीण भावंड जेव्हा आपण एकत्र वाढतो तेव्हा आपण ऍज अ पर्सन एकमेकांशी वागत असतो, नॉट ऍज अ जेंडर. नो, देअर इज नो जेंडर डिफरन्स. सो म्हणून प्रत्येक फॅमिली मुलगा आणि मुलगी दोन्ही हवं असं आय विल ऑलवेज फील.
So one more question: do you call your cousins? I mean, they must be having cousin sisters. So do you encourage them to mix up with the cousin
Exactly.
sisters
Yes.
to make up
Exactly.
for the?
Every time. We
We
all
actually-
still together, and they take care
Family.
of both the cousin sister very much, because they don't have real brothers, so they are all taking care of their cousin sisters.
That's nice.
Actually, my younger one and my sister's daughter, younger daughter, they are almost like twins. We say that they are twins
Okay.
from separate mothers. So they grew up together.
आणि पराग, आणि तुम्ही जे म्हणालात ना मारामारी करणं, तर माझ्या दोघा मुलांमध्ये 5 वर्षाचा फरक आहे. त्यामुळे माझा मोठा मुलगा एकदम केअर टेकर आहे. त्यामुळे तिथे बॉक्सिंग नाही होत.
So boys also have a caring attitude. You cannot
Yeah,
just say
yeah.
girls are the ones who care.
Actually have made it a point to teach them that they should respect girls, women in general. So, and even I make it a point to talk to, whenever I'm talking to women, there's a certain amount of respect that I always show, and then that is what my sons are also for.
And I think
Generally, they imitate the father. Generally, they imitate the father. How the father behave with his mother and other women. They imitate their father.
100%.
including maids in the house.
आपली मुलं किती केअर टेकर आहेत ना.
So, should
So
we
thank
end the panel?
Yes,
Manju,
thank you so
Yeah,
much.
yeah. So
Thank
I
you.
just thank
Yeah.
you first. Let me thank everyone. Thank you, Alka ma'am, for Dr. Alka Mukherjee, President, for giving me this opportunity. And thank you, Dr. Biniva Lena. Thank you, couple. Thank you, Dr. Deshmukh, Ujwala Deshmukh ma'am, and Dr. Satish Deshmukh. Thank you, Manisha, so much for staying around. And even though you have I see the anesthetist is always there for the surgeon, you have to say. So thank you so much for being around.
Thank you.
Lakshmi,
And we enjoyed each
Thank you
minute
so
of
much.
it.
Thank you, Kalka,
everyone.
for
Thank you.
everything. Thank you,
for inviting
Trishila.
us.
Thank you, Vidya. Thank you so much.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Bye.
So I think we'll call it a day and say bye-bye Yeah. That's it. Bye, ma'am.